Spring-back pedestrian crosswalk signs are used at pedestrian crossings not controlled by permanently installed traffic signals. They help make crosswalks significantly more visible to vehicular traffic and decrease the chances of a potentially deadly pedestrian accident. MUTCD compliant two-sided crosswalk signs are most effective on two-lane, low-speed streets. They can either be permanently installed in the roadway itself or mounted to a portable base that will allow the sign to be moved into and out of the street as needed. The diamond-grade reflective surface stands out during the day and is visible from up to 1,500 feet away at night. Crosswalk signs are to be placed either on the roadway's center line, on a lane line, or on a raised median or pedestrian refuge island. They should never be placed directly in the crosswalk itself, as they will obstruct the pedestrian path of travel. Crosswalk signs not installed on raised medians or pedestrian refuge islands must be able to bend when struck and spring back upright again on their own. This flexibility will help minimize impact damage to vehicles as well as potential injuries to pedestrians. Crosswalk signs are worded in one of two ways: either stop for pedestrians or yield to pedestrians. Make sure to consult the traffic laws of your state to determine whether a stop for or a yield to crosswalk sign is compliant with the law in your area. Emedco carries all of the traffic control products you need to keep your property safe. For more information, visit us online at emedco.com or give one of our customer service experts a call today.